Namaskar. This is a wonderful opportunity for all the couples who are looking for very, very healthy kids in terms of their nature, their health, their knowledge seeking, their grabbing capacity, as well as their futuristic vision. Also, for those people who are suffering with infertility, with lot of problems in both the people, like male and the female, those who are having lot of struggles to get for getting kids in terms of unhealthy uterus, or maybe unhealthy semen, or unhealthy ovum. So in Ayurveda, they have mentioned it as four important factors like Rutu, Kshetra, Ambu, Bija. So Rutu is the season that is required for a healthy crop to grow in a in an abundant manner. Rutu. Kshetra is the field where the crop is about to be planted, or the seed that is going to be planted. The place where the seed is going to be planted. Ambu is the nutritional water, all the nutritional material. And nowadays we can see the Jiva Rasayan, all these things were actually happening in those ancient golden times. And Bija is the seed. So the same thing applies for healthy kids. Rutu is the seasonal regimen that happens in the women. In terms of it's called as Rutumati, the periods that happen, they should be very healthy, timely, like the seasons. If the seasons are unseasonal, then the crop will be lost. Similarly, if a lady is having her seasons unseasonally, the crop is lost. It means that there will be like a loss of the fertile child, or there may be a complete infertility. Then comes kshetra, the uterus, and the genitals of the male as well. These should be healthy in order to produce a very healthy bija, the seed. That means the semen of the males and the ovum of the female. These should be very healthy in order to get a very healthy kid. Any deformities of the male, of the father, will be reflected in the semen, and any deformities or diseases or any congenital malfunctions that are incorporated in the form of a code, genetic code, will be transformed to the fetus through both mother and father, through their seeds called sperm and ovum. So these are the seeds. And then comes Ambu. Ambu is the nutritional material that is actually required even before forming the semen or ovum, and also after the complete conceiving of the zygote. So this is the actual mechanism that was mentioned in Ayurveda for getting very, very healthy kids in terms of like both physical, mental, and spiritual healthiness. So when there is any defect, like whatever the factors that are abundant, or at least existing at the time of the formation of that particular drop of that particular semen or that particular ovum, also have a great influence on the upcoming kid. So there is a very high importance given how to go about for conceiving. So in the coming episodes we will see how we have to go for about this conceiving mechanism, which was abundantly